Learn how to make grilled chicken without oven, without a griller, with Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So today I'm going to show you a local way of grilling chicken with Chef Joshua Musisi. So you don't need any oven. You don't have an oven, you don't have a grill at home, no problem. You are going to try out this recipe, and trust me, you are not going to regret. So we are going to use a soft chicken, and you need a broiler chicken. So you're going to get your chicken, you're going to slice it, but before you do it, make sure that you first wash the chicken. Then after slicing it, you're going to season it. Seasoning, you're going to first apply salt. Make sure that you apply salt on the whole chicken. After applying salt, make sure that the salt is well spread on the chicken. Then we are going to apply white pepper, because we are working out with white meat. So make sure that white pepper is well spread on the chicken. We need our chicken to be well seasoned. Then we are going to apply grated ginger. After applying grated ginger, we are going to apply grated garlic. After applying grated garlic, make sure that the chicken is well spread. Then you're going to apply Reiko chicken. If you don't have it, you can skip it out. So apply Reiko chicken on the oil chicken, because we need our chicken to be colorful, we need our chicken to be tasty. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. Then you're going to apply paprika. Apply paprika for color. If you don't have paprika, please, you can also skip it. You can use any spice you have. Then you are going to apply turmeric. After applying turmeric, spray it. Turmeric and paprika, they will give us color, because we are trying to balance the color. This is Chef Josh Musisi. For the new viewers, please subscribe. Then we are going to finish off with some cooking oil. Finish off with some cooking oil. The way you see it is the way you can do it, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste. So make sure that the chicken is well spread. So we are going to leave it for like 1 hour, or if you don't have time, you can leave it for 20 minutes, leave it to marinate, or you can leave it for a night. Then we are going to make our local oven. So you're going to apply sand in the saucepan, then apply that big saucepan onto the stove or onto the firewood, then apply the cover. Then even on the cover, you apply some hot charcoal or apply the fire. Then after, leave it to get hot. Don't put your chicken before this local oven is hot. Then you're going to get your saucepan cover, then you're going to grease it, or you're going to spray it with some cooking oil. Then after spreading it, you get that cover, you first put it in your local oven or in your hot saucepan. Then after, you're going to put your chicken. Make sure that you use a broiler chicken, you use a soft chicken. Then you're going to put your chicken. After putting your chicken, then you're going to cover, to put the cover, which has your hot charcoal or the hot fire at the top. But if you have an oven at home, it's okay. You put in your oven, you start doing what? You start grilling. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. Please, for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. So you can grill as you are checking, but you can grill between 20 to 30 minutes. Or if you need it too dry, you can even do it like for 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes. It depends on the amount of fire or amount of heat you are doing you're using. So this is Chef Joshua Musisi. I think you have loved this video. I'm going to request, don't learn alone. Cut this video, share it with everyone, so that we can help everyone in the village to change or to try out this recipe. See you next time.